Hello everyone, this is me and this is my YouTube channel IID Studio. In this video, I'll teach you the lighting, running and material setting of a bedroom model scene. As you can see, I'll open the bedroom model scene in SketchUp. Now I'll opening the Enscape. Enscape are open. As you can see, this model don't have lighting and running setup. Let's make it better. First of all, I'll add the bedroom exterior light for this scene. I'll make different types of lights for the different scenes for living rooms, bedrooms, bathrooms and different types of scenes. I'll adjust it. Now I increase the exposure a little bit. And if you all want to download these models and lights, they are available on my fan pages, Buy Me a Coffee, Patreon and Ko-fi. So I'll add another spotlights in interior scene for the scene enhancement. So now I'm adjusting it. And the links of my fan pages are available below the video description and comments. So visit my fan pages and support me. Now I'll add another one. Now increase the number of lights where I want. So I'll add another white light for this scene because the floor is dark. We want these spotlights for make it better. Now I'm adjusting it. I think now it's better. So I'll add another interior lights for the scene enhancement. First I measure it. Now I'm adding these lights. I think in this scene I want to add the illumination light. I already made these lights. So I'll add another one. And now adjusting it with line tool in SketchUp. It's very helpful. Now I'll add another light in it. So I'll adjusting it. It's very easy if you already made these lights. So if you all want to download these models and lights, they are available on my fan pages, Buy Me a Coffee, Ko-fi and Patreon. The links to all of these are available below this video in the description and comments. Please visit my fan pages, explore the content and support me to keep creating more for you. So I'll change the color of lights because I don't like these lights. So simply I change the color of light. So I decrease the little bit power of light. Because you want to adjust this light according to your scene. So now I'll add this light in the ceiling. Now I'll adjusting it. So I rotate it for better light. If I don't rotate it, I don't get better light. So I'll rotate it. Now I'll adjusting. Now I think it looks better. So I increase the exposure a little bit more. Now I think this reflection is too much, so I decrease the reflection a little bit. In this scene, the lights are not illuminated, so I illuminate it for make it natural. Because in this scene we have the shadows of light, so I add the illumination. And guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel and visit my fan pages and support me to keep creating more for you. Now I'll adjusting the material because it's very important for the better scene. I think the ring color is not good, so I make it golden shade for make it looking better. Now it look better. I don't think so the glass is well, so I'll frost it. And increase a little bit opacity and the color. I think it look better, so I'll adjust another material of carpet. This is too big, so I add the another and now adjusting it. I think it's look better, so I'll add another material for the bed. The other material, this material is now it's looking better. I think I want to increase the size, so I increase it. Now it's better, so I'll adjust another material and roughnesses. And if you want to download these models and lights, they are available on my fan pages Buy Me a Coffee, Patreon and Ko-fi. So the link to all of these are provided below this video in the description and comments. Please visit my fan pages, explore the content and support me to keep creating more for you. Now I'll add another leather material in the chair. This is another one. Now it's time to adjust another material. The best material setting is very important to make best 3D model scene. Branding is very important. Now just another materials. in this scene. So I increase the little bit exposure and decrease the little bit shadows, and now checking the enscape auto contrast. I think it's looking better. Now I'll adjust the material of curtain. I think I want to add the curtain transparency in it for make it realistic. Now I change the color little bit of the curtain. So this is the back door. I don't think so. I want to change the material of door. Now it's looking better. So I'll change the color of this light. Simply 209, 139 and 89. Now I'll render this photo for the preview. It takes little bit time. And if you like to watch my videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you like the results of this video, please like my video and hit the bell icon for stay updated. Thank you for watching.